Hello kids, today we will draw a cute sandwich. So let's start. First draw the sandwich bread. I always eat sandwich in breakfast. So just follow me and draw the bread. Make some curved line and draw the big curve like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Well done, now let's draw some veggies. First draw the tomato. Draw the round circle, but make it inside. Draw some half circle on both sides. Look, we draw 2 tomato on left side. And we draw 3 tomato in right side. We draw total 5 tomatoes. Now let's draw some cabbage leaves. First draw some wavy and curved line on left side. Draw some crazy line, just like this. Now draw some cabbage on the upper side of sandwich. Draw randomly, and it will look very delicious. Draw some cabbage on the right side, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now draw the cheese on the bread. Draw the side, then make a long line, like this. Good job! Lastly, draw the lower bread also. Draw the curvy side, and draw the long line. Look how delicious it's looking. Now make the sandwich more cute. First draw some eyes. Draw a big circle, like this. Then draw a small circle inside. Well done, now draw slowly and carefully fill black color. Color up and down, and it's done. Now draw the other eye also. Draw a big circle and draw a small circle inside. Do the same thing and slowly fill the color. Color up and down, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Well done, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use brown color and color the border. Color the border with same thicker line all side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Good job! Now use brown color and color the lower bread border also. Now use cream color or skin color on bread. First color the lower bread carefully. Color the narrow part slowly, and it's done. Now color the big bread. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Color left and right, and look how great it's looking. Carefully fill the color, and don't color the face. Color the outline of the face. Then you will not make any mistake. slowly fill the color. Color up and down, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Now color the veggies also. First use red color and color the tomatoes. Color the tomato carefully and don't make any mistake. Color the outline carefully and fill the color. Color all the 3 tomatoes, like this. Now color the other tomatoes also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done, it's looking very great. Now let's color the cabbage. Use green color and color the wavy part. Color carefully on the small part and don't make any mess. Color the right side, then color the upper part of the cabbage. Slowly fill the color and don't color the outline. Now color the left side of the cabbage. Look how delicious it's looking. Now let's color my favorite cheese. Use yellow color and color the square part. Color only the cheese part, and it's done. Now let's make the bread more cute. Use brown color and make some spots on bread. Make some round and oval shape and it will look very beautiful. I'm making some big and small shape. So just follow me and it will look very beautiful. Just make random shape here and there and it's done. Look how delicious and tasty it's looking. Good job, we complete the drawing. You know what? I love sandwich. They are filled with lots of veggies. And it tastes very delicious. To draw more delicious drawing, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.